Let's talk about the question everyone is asking right now. Are home prices in Jacksonville going up or coming down? Because depending on what you're hearing, it can sound like the market is doing completely different things at once. Let's start with prices. In March, the median sale price in Jacksonville came in right around $310,000. That's actually up slightly from February, but when you zoom out and compare it to last year, prices are basically holding steady. So what does that tell us? It tells us we're not really seeing prices drop in any meaningful way, but we're also not seeing the kind of rapid increases we had a few years ago. Now here's where it gets interesting. The absorption rate, basically how long it would take to sell everything on the market, is sitting just under 4 months. That's actually 11% lower than this time last year, which means inventory is still relatively tight. At the same time, homes are taking longer to sell. Homes are staying on the market an average of 78 days. That's up 16% compared to last year. And that's one of the clearest signs that things are slowing down just a bit. And then there's buyer activity. Pending sales in March were down nearly 12% compared to last year. So there are fewer buyers jumping into the market right now. Now, when you put all of this together, you don't get a market that's crashing, and you don't get a market that's overheating either. What you get is something much more balanced. Prices are holding steady, homes are taking a little longer to sell, and buyers are being a bit more selective. So here's what I'd be curious to hear from you. Do you feel like the market is still strong, or does it feel like things are starting to slow down? Go ahead and share your thoughts in the comments. I read every one of them. And if you're trying to understand what might happen next with the market, I did another video called War and Rates, where I walk through how global events and interest rates can influence what we're seeing right now. I'll link that here so you can take a look. That'll give you a better sense of how the bigger picture connects to what's happening here locally in Jacksonville. Till then, this is Lucian Valancourt with Native Sun Realty.
Helping you find your place in the sun.